Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how and where you can enable the two-factor authentication for your account on GanttPro in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to your account on GanttPro and you'll need to access your account settings. To do that, click into that gear icon in the bottom left, and from here navigate to security in the left panel, not handle, sorry. And here guys, you will see these two options. Single sign-on as well as the two-factor authentication. So you may use that, for example, and add a phone number or a cover email, for example, to add it as an extra layer of safety to your account here on GanttPro. To activate it, simply click on that button below, and after that you will be redirected to this view here. So you can, for example, use a QR code for that, or for example, enable a 6-digit verification code through the GanttPro application. There's also that authenticator app you can, for example, download from Google Play Store, for instance. So if you'd like to use any of these guys, simply either download that app here, launch it on your device, or and after that follow these instructions. So you can do this either through the QR code or through the 6-digit code you will receive through the app, and after that enter it here. Now for privacy reasons I'm not going to enter that code here, but don't forget to click into activate at the bottom, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.